Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert a SIM card and SD card into the device. Starting off, you'll need the SIM ejector. I have one right here. What you want to do is pop out the tray, which is located on the top side of the device, where the keys are, just below them. Push it in and the tray will pop out. When you take it out, you have two different sides. On the front side, you have space for the SD card, and the SIM card goes on the other side. From here, simply insert it back into the device. There we go. We should see the pin prompt for the SIM card since I have a pin on mine. So the SIM card is obviously working and the SD card is working as well. And that is how you insert SIM and SD cards into the device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.